are you doing? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Kenya, and today we are doing a house hunting episode along Thika Road. And as you can already tell, I am already at the premises. This house that I'm currently in is a 2-bedroom house, which is a master and suite. And as you can already tell by the outlook of the kitchen, the house has perfect finishings and it is spacious, because I can tell you can already see the sitting room from where I am standing. And if you want to see the price of this house, continue watching. Standing at the door, actually this is the door. When you get in the house, the first room is the sitting room, and just look at the light fixtures. Just look at that. It has perfect light fixtures, and the house is paid via tokens. And look at that window over there. The window and the door are glass. I love that. I love that. And as you can tell from here, the sitting room is quite spacious. Not even quite spacious. You guys, this sitting room is spacious. And right outside the kitchen is the first balcony, and the balcony is quite something. This is something that you can decorate. That is the first balcony, because this house has 2 balconies. That is the first balcony right outside the sitting room, and on the other side is the kitchen. This house is an open planish kind of house. That is the kitchen from here. And you guys, look at this. Look at this. These are something that you can use for your home bar or for your dining, whatever you want to use them for. They are pretty. They are pretty. Look at that. And we have a sink over here and a mirror over there. And then we get to the kitchen. Wow. Look at those countertops. Look at those countertops. This house got me excited already. And as you can see, the kitchen is quite spacious. You can place your cooker over there, and you have another space for your fridge. And you guys, look at these storage spaces. Perfect. They are perfect. Look at that. You have enough storage space for your utensils and for your foodstuffs and cutlery, whatever you wanna keep in your kitchen. And look at that. The sink is a double sink. Makes work easier when cleaning the utensils. Wow. Look at those cabinets. And then right outside the kitchen is a small balcony. I have told you that this house has 2 balconies, so you can use this one for your rotary or whatever, and you can decorate the other one. How perfect! How perfect! That is the kitchen. And we now go to the first bathroom. It has a hot shower. There is the shower over there. Then there is the washroom over there and a small sink. And here goes our first bedroom. I love the flooring of this house. I love the floor. It looks like kawaba or something. And there is our closet, quite huge. Look at the space where it has occupied almost a whole wall. Wow, this house is beautiful. That is our closet space. We have some drawers over there, and we have some more space. You don't have to complain about closet space in this house. And then there is the mirror, and that is me, of course. And here goes our window, quite huge. It brings a lot of natural lighting in this room. Like right now I am shooting using the natural lighting, and it's perfect. So that is our first bedroom. So we go to our second bedroom, which is master and suite. And you guys, this bedroom is huge. It's huge. Look at that. So this is our washroom. Our washroom, again we have the mirror over there. We have a sink. We have our toilet over there. Wow. We have a place where you can hang your towels. We have a shower caddy over there. Wow. Wow. I love this house. I love this house. If you are looking for a house along Thika Road, you should consider moving into this house. And look at those wardrobes. Look at those. Look at the space that it has occupied, because it has occupied almost the whole wall. And look at the light fixtures on the walls. Wow, this is quite something. So that is our last bedroom. This house is a 2-bedroom house. It's located along Thika Road, and I love it. So this house is going for 35,000, which is not inclusive of garbage and water. You pay your own garbage and water fee, but for 35,000 shillings, what do you guys think? So if you want to book this house, or if you want to move into this house, I'm going to leave the contact details on the description box below and on the first comment, the first pinned comment. What do you think about this house? Do you think it's worth the 35,000 shillings? Personally, I think it's worth the 35,000 shillings and more, because one, it's located in a very secure neighborhood, and two, the finishings of this house are perfect. Like, just look at the floor. Just look at the floor of that house. It looks perfect. Look at the lightings. Look at the walls. And everything in this house is looking good. If you would want to move into this house, or if you would want to see this house, I am going to leave the contact details on the description box below, and I'm also going to leave the contact details on the first pinned comment. So thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to say that you've been sent by Miss Kenya if you come to see this house. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe for more house hunting videos like this one. And let me see you on my next video. Bye.